This is AW500 Smart AI Dashcam Quick Installation Guide. The AW500 dual-facing Smart AI Dashcam helps make driving safer. AW500 is embedded with ADAS and DMS functions that alerts drivers when dangerous driving behaviors occur. It also automatically uploads event footage to the cloud. AW500 provides essential ADAS applications such as forward collision warning, lane departure warning, bumper impact warning, pedestrian detection, and more. Let's see how it works. The DMS uses a driver-facing camera that detects dangerous driver events such as cell phone talking, smoking, or driver drowsiness. Let's see how it works. Now let's install the AW500. The AW500 comes with a GPS antenna, an SOS button, and power supply. First, identify the recommended mounting area and test fit the dual camera. Notice that do not block the driver's line of sight with the device. The camera should be placed horizontal. Plug in the ACC power cable to the fuse box. If you can't find the fuse box, contact your dealer. Set the SOS button in an easily accessible place, like the dashboard. Mount the GPS antenna on the dashboard or near the windshield within the line of sight of the sky. For those vehicles with metallic tint, install the GPS antenna on the outside of the vehicle. Start the engine and then use a third-party app to determine the optimal placement for the camera. Last step, attach the camera firmly on the windshield. That's it. The AW500 is installed and ready to get on the road. A-Track, connecting you to the future.